Hey guys, today we're going to be checking out our fidget cubes and fidget spinners. This is our collection. We have 14 spinners and 2 fidget cubes. First up, let's show you the fidget cubes. The first one we have is the Galaxy. The black one is the same as the Galaxy one, but it has different colors. The first one from the fidget spinners is the glow-in-the-dark fidget spinner. It looks like a normal one, but it is glow-in-the-dark. It spins really good. Next up, we have this homemade Lego fidget spinner. Subscribe so you can watch us make this, and you can make one of your own. This one doesn't even need a bearing. Next up, we have this golden one. This one is one of my favorites. It feels really good to spin. And you can twist these edges. Next up, we have this hydro dipped one. It doesn't spin that really well, but it feels good to spin. You can't spin this on the floor. Next up, we have this rainbow metal fidget spinner. It has 2 sides. It also makes a jingling noise. So also it's not balanced. Next up, we have this golden one. It spins really well. And it's fully gold. Next up, we have this brownish gold one. It spins really well. It also has magnets at the edges. It's made out of plastic though, and it's pretty light. This one is one of my favorites too. Next up, we have this hydro dipped ninja star. It has these little metal balls at the edges. It spins really well. Next up, we have this black original one. This one has 4 bearings. This one is the same as the black one, but it's yellow. And this one is missing a finger pad. Next up, we have this silver one. It's really heavy. And it also makes a jingling noise like the rainbow metal one. And this is also one of my favorites. Next up, we have this black one. It has metal huge balls at the edges. And also this one spins really well. Next up, we have this rainbow star one. It feels really smooth. And it's one of my favorites too. Lastly, we have this one. The same as the hydro dipped one. And also it's not really balanced. And it has these huge metal balls at the edges. These are all the fidget cubes and spinners. Thank you guys for watching.